Okay, welcome back. My name is Bert Blevins within the Pixels, and we're going to take it to our next step with the MFA, using that at the login level within the platform of Ganea. So without further ado, let's log in. So you've noticed I've entered in my username here. And now what we're going to do is put in the password. And now it's going to ask for that OAuth OTP that we set up earlier. So now I'm going to enter that in. And we are logged right in. So now what we're going to show here is one thing, that how we actually enabled the two operations to work together. So we've set up OAuth OTP. Okay, so we've done that. So the next thing we're going to do after that is we're going to come into authentication profiles. So authentication profiles is going to give us the ability to see various profiles that we can leverage within the MFA providers. So we have, like, if it was recognizing as a new login of a new device, we could do it right there. Next one would be other login profiles. So this is going to be a catch-all for all your logins. And then we have reset profile. You can set that up as well. Server login, I mentioned this earlier, where if you're logging into a server in the platform, what we can do is enable MFA at the front door of that particular server. And then the other one that I mentioned earlier is step-up authentication. So that means that you could come into a particular server with least amount of privilege, and as you need to step up your particular privilege on that particular account or activity that you were using, what we can do is then prompt for MFA there as well.